What's up? It's your boy Jay Working. Stay tuned. Harvey Rice. I got 14 little boys. I got like 2 hours with them. So I'm gonna go in here and see how they act. They're a little rough around the edges. So we are doing some designs and stuff, just going over layouts and designs and principles and stuff like that. We'll see. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, son. Hey, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
On YouTube?
Yeah,
I said on
eventually.
YouTube channel. What's your channel?
Big
You
deal.
sign up for my channel?
You did my first club, remember? I'm in design class at my Boys and Girls Club.
What's on YouTube?
Jay Working. I'll put it up there.
YouTube?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it up there. I need y'all to settle down real fast because I got a lot to go over in a short time because we ain't got a lot of time. So I need to talk real quick and then I need to show y'all something so we can get to working now. Alright, so my name is Jay Working, alright? Y'all can call me Mr. Collins, but I go by Jay Working, Jayworking. Part of the thing is what you're doing is you're solving a problem for somebody, visually. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
We're visually solving a problem for somebody. So somebody has a store, somebody has a restaurant. They need a logo for that restaurant, okay? So your job is to come up with a solution visually for that restaurant. So one of the things is that you want to identify the problem and then brainstorm. Everybody know what brainstorming is, yes?
Yeah.
Think, brainstorm. So we got to get into the head of the user so we can help him out. Does that understand? Do you understand that? So he has a set of problems. He has some things that he's worried about. He needs some solutions towards stuff.
Oh, so I'm on YouTube too.
You're on YouTube, but the problem with you is that you just bust in my class late and you're a little behind. Have a seat.
Can I rap?
Can he rap?
No, can I?
No, you disrupted my class right now. You can't rap today.
Just going on YouTube.
Hey, Mike, you all over and touching it. What you want?
My name's Jalen Cater.
What grade you in?
I'm in 4th grade.
You a designer? Yes or no?
Yes, I'm a designer. Chase. Chase.
You a designer?
Yeah.
Like this class?
No, not really.
Not really. Okay. Well, anyway, we're gonna pretend like you like it.
No, I don't like the class, but I don't like this class.
Okay, cool. You a YouTuber?
A little bit.
A little bit.
I only play Roblox on YouTube.
Okay. I'm Cameron. I'm 10 years old. Me and what I've been doing in this class, I've been doing posters about open mic. With Jay Working. Make sure if you see this video, go subscribe to his channel.
Y'all should try this out. This is fun.
And what you like to do for fun? And what you like
Cut.
to
He like butts and they cut that lie.
What's up, gang?
It's over.
Jay Working,
Okay,
Jay
it's your
Working.
part.
Jay
Subscribe.
Working.
Oh, it's his turn.
Subscribe, Jay Working.
You gotta tell how old you are and if everything you got to do what you're doing in here.
What's good, Jay Working fans? We lit. We out here.
Lit. We lit.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
High school kings in here.
Okay, Trey.
What was that?
What y'all want to say for the YouTube channel? What?
Hey, my name is Joe. My YouTube channel name is Justin. Hey, my YouTube channel name is Justin Carter. My rap name J Gang. I'm 10 years old. So here we go. Pray like this. Pray like this. Pray like this. Pray like this. Put your hands together. We gonna praise the Lord. Do this every day. Do this more and more. Your lights telling me to stop. Your lights telling me to slow down. I messed up.